And on the last day of campaigning for the high-voltage Bhawanipur by-polls, high drama, frayed tempers and calls by the BJP to suspend the polls after the BJP leader Dilip Ghosh was heckled allegedly by Trinamool supporters in the poll-bound constituency in Kolkata. The Trinamool claims intentional provocation by the BJP. Mamata Banerjee did not speak at all, but all eyes are now on the 30th of September and counting day on the 3rd of October.
Trouble began when Dilip Ghosh went door-to-door to campaign for Priyanka Tibrewal, Mamata Banerjee's BJP challenger. Angry words flew after Ghosh was rushed out, angry blows too. Both BJP and Trinamool claimed injuries. Trinamool from the butt of a firearm, Ghosh's security staff pulled out.
ব্যাহত করার চেষ্টা চলছে এইভাবে গণতন্ত্রকে হত্যা করে যারা জিতেছেন মণিপুরের মানুষ তারা ঠিক করুন এই হিংসা আর হত্যাকে স্বীকৃতি দেবেন না তারা গণতন্ত্র দিবেন
Their effort is to create trouble because they know they're not going to win the elections.
Not clear whether it was because of day-long drama over the Ghosh attack, but Mamata Banerjee did not hold a public meet in the last day of campaign. Other Trinamool leaders did. BJP asked Election Commission to impose Section 144 across Bhawanipur all day on poll day.
So under these circumstances, we asked the Election Commission to take a few steps to build confidence among the people. The first is that we demanded the imposition of Section 144 in every single part of the constituency.
48 hours from now, Bhawanipur will decide if it will return Mamata Banerjee to assembly for the third time. 4 months ago, it gave Trinamool Congress a healthy margin of 28,000 votes. Some minor local vote margin upsets in the 2019 and 2014 polls have raised BJP hopes that Mamata Banerjee is not invincible. Both sides must be holding their breaths. With Monideepa Banerjee in Kolkata, in New Delhi, Rika Roy for NDTV.